What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Printify account to your Etsy store in order to print on demand products on Etsy. So print on demand is basically where you select a print on demand provider, in this case Printify, and you go to the catalog and you select a product, let's say t-shirt, and you upload your custom design or your created design on it. And once you get when you connect it to a shop, in this case Etsy, and once you get an order on Etsy for this specific product or design, Printify will print the design on demand on the product that you specified and ship it to the customer. So you don't need to have the physical inventory of the product, which is pretty cool. Now to connect them is pretty easy. Go ahead into your shops right here on Printify. It might say add new store if you haven't added any stores yet. Click on add new store. Then here select Etsy, and you have other stores as well. So select Etsy. A pop-up will open up and ask you that your Printify store is already connected to an Etsy store by another other store name. Let's go and delete it so I can show you the steps here. So I'll delete here the Etsy shop. Okay, delete it. And now add a new store. Choose Etsy. And in the pop-up right here, Etsy is now connected. And that's because I have at my Etsy shop right here. I'm signed in with my account, so here it's connected successfully. So now I can add products right here, so I can browse products and create products, and they'll be listed automatically on my Etsy store.